Hello friends, welcome to my channel and this HTML web series. In this video series, I show you what is HTML and how to use it. First of all, what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. Basically, HTML used for the build a website and web page. HTML is a body and structure of the website. We can display properly text, image, paragraph using HTML into the website. HTML has a set of tags and elements which are used to structure the web page. We can create file with the .html extension and run it into the any of the browser. So let me create one HTML file and show you the example. And this is the VS Code editor, and I'm going to create the HTML file using these options. New file, select language, and you can see here lots of the options available here, but I'm going to select the HTML because I want to create HTML file. Let me save this file with the name of the index. You can give any name of this file. I explain later why I given the name of the index.html of this file. Now I'm going to create the structure of the HTML. So let me specify doc type. First of all, this doc type tell your browser this documentation of the HTML and load as HTML, so browser can easily load and browser know easily this documentation is HTML. So we should write doc type HTML as the first line of the page. Now we need to specify HTML tag and we need to end with the slash. All the tag should be end with the slash. HTML tag is a root element of the web page. Let me specify head tag. This head tag used for the meta information of the website, and for example let me specify title. This tag used for display the title. I show you into the browser where this title is showing. So let me specify first HTML page. Now next step, we need to specify body tag. This is the main tag for display all the content of the web page. Everything loaded inside the body tag, and it's container for all the visible contents such as the headings, paragraphs, image, hyperlinks, tables, and everything. Now I'm going to specify header tag here h1. HTML have a 6 header tag h1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it's display based on his size. So let me specify this is first HTML page and let me save. Now let me open the index, you can see here, and open this index into the Google Chrome, and you can see here this is the first HTML page, and you can see here the title into the tab this first HTML page. Let me change. Just give HTML and refresh, and you can see here title has been changed. So you can easily run this HTML page into the browser. You need to specify full path into the browser. Now I'm going to move this directory inside the WAMP and show you difference. WAMP, and let me put it into the www directory. So now you can run this program and this HTML file using localhost, and Just you need to specify folder name HTML. I think WAMP is not started. Let me start it. Let me refresh and you can see here. Now I not specified index.html and just run with the HTML folder, because the index is a default name, and when you run any of the program with the root directory, then it take default index.html file, so you no need to specify it here. But outside of the WAMP, you need to run file with the full path. Let me show you. Remove this index.html and you can see here the directory, and you need to click on the index.html and then you can see the output. But into the WAMP, you just need to specify folder and index.html by default run. I hope you know the WAMP, but let me show you WAMP server. You can download WAMP server from the official website and you can install it, and WAMP server, and you can run your any of the HTML and PHP program into the WAMP. So we will learn more into the HTML into the next tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel.